This 4-part video series will be on how to make a small key cabinet like this one. The design is inspired by the shaker style clock pictured here. The supplies you'll need to complete this project are 1x3s for the top and bottom, 1x2s for this frame, a 1x8 for the panel, some 1/4" or thinner plywood for the back, dowel pins for the hinge mechanism, 1/4", 3/4" teacup hooks, and a couple magnets. Additionally, you will need wood glue, super glue, paste wax, boiled linseed oil with mineral spirits, and shellac, or your favorite choice of finishes. Optional supplies include a brown paper bag, lipstick or die chem or something to mark the magnets with, sandpaper, about 240 grit, hinges, and possibly a picture hanger. The tools you will need are a hand plane, approximately number 4 in size, a marking knife, a 1/4" chisel, a 1/2" chisel, a 3/4" or 1" chisel, some sort of back saw, whether it be dovetail size or larger, a 1/4" drill bit for our dowels, a drill bit to match the size of our magnets, a trusted square, and a shooting board. This one is a Paul Sellers design. You'll also need a small paintbrush, rags, and a 1/4" dowel center. Optional tools that may make the job easier include a plough plane. That one's from the 1840s. A combination plane, a hand router, a block plane, a panel marking gauge, a spoke shave, and some very small drill bits to fit the threads of the teacup hooks. This build is intended for the novice woodworker, so if you feel there's anything I haven't explained thoroughly enough, let me know in the comments below. Let's get started.